Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to redeem Best Buy gift card online. So without any further ado, let's go started. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and under search tab type www.bestbuy.com and press enter. Now select a country from here. You will open up to an official website of Best Buy. Now here what you need to do is on the top row you will get to see this account. Click on it. If you do not have an account yet, then you can click on this create account button right here and go through the registration process. So since I already have an account, I will be signing in by clicking on sign in button. A sign-in interface will appear on your display. Now provide the essential credentials that are your email address and your password associated with your account. And then if you in case have forgotten your password, then click on this forget your password to recover it. You can also sign in with a passkey or your Apple account or your Google account if your Best Buy account is associated with any of them. So after you provide all the credentials, click on sign in button. Sometimes while logging in or signing in, you will have to go through your verification. So you can just skip or just go through the process. So I will be going through the process. So click on verify my email and you will receive a verification code or an email from Best Buy. Just go to your email and as you can see that I have already received one. So all you need to do is open it up and click on verify email. Now the email has been verified, so we can continue the process by clicking on continue button. As you can see that we have signed in, so you can see the products that we can purchase or buy from here. So I'm gonna select one of them. Once you select the product, you will need to add it to your cart by clicking on this add to cart button right here. You can also see here on the top right that our product has been added to cart, so click on it. After you add your product to the cart, you can also select the amount by clicking on this drop down option right here. You can also choose shipping, but this is unavailable at this area. Now click on checkout at the right hand side. Now scroll down and you'll get to see this contact information. If you want to receive text about all the orders and appointment, then you can take this radio button right here, or you can just let it be. After that, click on continue to payment information. Now you can see here payment methods, so you can use credit or debit card number, or else you can use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. Click on this link right here. Now enter your gift card number that is located at the back of the gift card, which includes 16 digits. And after that, click on this apply button right here. And with this, your balance will deduct from your gift card balance for the purchase of your product. So this is how you can redeem Best Buy gift card online. This is it for today guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.